I am back. Okay, so let's talk about what has changed.
If you just know you're that girl,
Yeah.
you just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl.
All right, so hi. It has been a while. Yes, it has. I don't even know how many months. It feels like almost a year, but it definitely hasn't been a year. I think I left you guys in October, and it is now July. But I am back, and there's been a lot of changes, so let's talk about it. Before I do start talking about it, I want to show you this shelf, okay? It is very much a work in progress, so don't judge. It is definitely not done. Hold on. So here's what we are working with. Here's the canvas, okay? You see a bunch of shelves, but I do want to make it like the background for my YouTube. These are just like placeholders. I'm trying to figure out the vibes. There's a lot of colors going on. I don't know, I don't know if the globe is a vibe, but anyway, oh my God, my pride and joy. Man, those are my favorite pieces of my collection. Anyway, so I'm going to put this together, and I thought I would bring you guys along on that. It's probably gonna take me forever because I'm just not good at putting interior design pieces together. But anyway, let's go. Okay, I think we're rolling. Welcome back. I don't know if I'm talking to myself or you guys because I've been gone a really long time, and I'm sorry for that. I really am, but a lot of changes have happened since you saw me last. Number one, well actually, before I start, I do want to let you know that I do have, oh my God, it's so big. Ugh. I do have some unboxings for you guys, so just stay tuned through my changes spiel, okay? So first, I hope that you can tell that the quality of the video is a little bit better at least. So I did get an actual certified vlogging camera, okay? So that's, I think it's working. And then also I moved. I moved from Honolulu, Hawaii to Dallas, Texas, which I know is a crazy move, but I have lived here before. And I'm just, you know, I've been away from my home and my family for a long time. So I just wanted to come back for a little bit, have some comfort, have some family time, and then we can see where my next adventure is. I definitely don't think this is my forever home by any means, but I am happy to be here nonetheless, and you best believe I will still be going and visiting Hawaii. All right. Let's get to the fun stuff because I know that this is what you guys are actually here for and have missed. So I do have two pieces. I think that that's like the biggest things that I bought in between my move because I was too busy moving, but there is more to come, okay? I think I'm gonna start with my lesser impressive piece, okay? Because the last one is a piece of art. Like I actually had to take it off of the shelf and put it back in the box because it's one of my favorites, and you're probably gonna laugh at it. It's one of those like high fashion, like, are you kidding me? But you'll just see. You'll either love it or hate it. All right. So this first one is actually pre-loved. I was eyeing this piece anyways, and I was looking. I don't even think I was looking on the pre-loved market. I think I went and tried it on in the stores, and I was between. Well, I'll tell you what I was between after I unbox it. Okay, so here she is. She's basically her own shelf. Dun, 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 dun. And we have these Louis Vuitton monogram boots. Let me take them out. They are beautiful to me. I love them. I have honestly worn them maybe once since I got them, but like I said, I've been in the moving process, okay? And it was a process, but it's just beautiful. It has patent leather right here on the zipper, beautiful monogram all the way, shiny toe, and it does look like a combat boot, so it looks very casual, but also you can dress it up. And here are the two together. I will style it for you guys after I finish unboxing. What put me on to these boots is that these are in the permanent collection, okay? They're like classics for them. However, each season it seems like they come out with the same style of boot, but it resembles whatever style is going on for their season. And so for them, it was an all black boot. And I was more into it, right? Because this is pretty out there. It's not very quiet. So I was thinking of the black because, I don't know, it just looks more classic and would match more. But I went to try it on, and then of course these were here. And when I had the black ones on, maybe I can find a video from the depths of my camera, but they just didn't really show the print. And it just looked like a straight up black boot, which like was a little too quiet for me. I don't know, if you're gonna pay over $2,000, it just didn't seem like the vibe. But I will say I also went to Prada and I tried on their classic boots, and I really liked them. I think like if I do want an all black boot, which is very possible, then I would do that. So I would have the Prada all black, and then I would have the Louis Vuitton monogram. I did go to the store and try these on. I was ready to buy these, and then I was on Rebag for some other reason. I don't even know what I was looking for, but anyways, I found these, and they were, I'm gonna have to find the price because it was just ridiculous. You guys, I was putting these Star Trail boots up, and I found the original receipt. So I guess whoever sold this to Rebag put this in here. But here's the original receipt, $1,456.35. That's pretty crazy because I bought these for $750, I believe. So I legit got them like 50% off. Wow. Where did they buy it? Ooh, they bought it in Cali. Cute girl, but yeah, it's nice to see that price and know what you bought it for. Very good buy from Rebag. Okay. This is the piece de resistance. This was the fastest luxury buy that I have ever done, okay? Literally have ever done. I think I saw it and I bought it in 5 minutes. And again, this is gonna be a controversial piece, okay? All right, and I love the box. You guys, okay, wait, I have to pause. See how ratted and tatted this box is? So not only did I move, but girl, I used this box for like a little couch desk for the longest time. Hold on. I'm gonna have to, I wanna show you like what I've been doing. I literally did this for like 6 months, okay? This is what I was talking about. I cannot find my laptop to save my life, but Saint Laurent. I had this on my bed or my couch, and I was just, and I felt so fancy even though it was like not a fancy girl thing to do. Okay, we're back. This is the time we've all been waiting for. Dun, da, da, da. Okay, here's the dust bag. You're not gonna laugh at me, but I don't care. All right. Yes, I did. All right, it looks like a McDonald's Happy Meal toy. It is called the YSL Takeout Bag. You guys, I love it. I'm sorry, I do. You can talk all your mess about me that you want to. I love it. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. Okay, here's the bottom. It does fold. Okay, and so to open it, you do have to open it, and it is a little like me struggling. And you're like, yeah, that was a bad purchase. No, I love it, and I think it's an art piece. Is like, that's mostly why I wanted it. But you open it up. I do have the little care package that I haven't even taken out, but it's very spacious, okay? And I don't know. I don't know if it was like the 90s kid in me that was like literally thinking about the Happy Meal toys, or if it was the detail in the leather. I mean, it's just so different. I mean, do you agree? You at least have to agree that it is very different than anything from any designer. Okay, I think I got this in January. So I've had it and I've been wanting to show you guys for a really freaking long time. Okay, I might have lied to you guys in the slightest because I wanted to style these for you guys, but my vision was also to unbox some Revolve and Diesel pieces that I got, and I wanted to style them with what I'm getting from there, and I don't have those pieces yet. So I think I'm gonna leave you here. Maybe this is a short video, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna leave you there. I promise I will come back, okay? I promise I will come back, and I'm going to throw in some of these unboxings into that one, all right? So I have another unboxing coming soon. It's more like a haul, not an unboxing, I think, because it's mostly clothing pieces. But I love you, I've missed you, and it's really good to be back. All right, I think that's all I have for you today. I'm so sorry. I promise I'll be back, okay? Okay, like, seriously, I'll be back, okay?